In Kenya, beauty is everywhere. Etched in our golden sunsets, gently kissing the horizon. Dancing along our beaches and thriving in the heart of our vibrant cultures. Welcome to magical Kenya. It takes a lot to protect this paradise. This ecosystem is a treasure, irreplaceable and fragile. The heartbeat of our land is sustained by those who believe in its enduring magic.
It is time for humanity to step up and live up to its most basic mandate, to protect life on Earth, the integrity of our planet's vital systems, and make the world more, not less, livable.
In the face of the world's biodiversity crisis, Kenya leads the way. We harness the power of the sun, the wind, water, and the earth itself to guide us towards a sustainable future.
Under the United Nations Climate Convention, we have committed to restore and conserve all forests and to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The objective is to grow 5 billion trees in the next 5 years and an additional 10 billion trees by 2032.
Kenya is unwavering in its pursuit of conservation and has welcomed the use of electric vehicles in the parks. We invest in the very essence of our nation. For over a century, we have safeguarded Kenya's rich biodiversity. We have set aside national parks, national reserves, 53 sanctuaries, and 160 conservancies. Through meticulous research and dedication, the Kenya Wildlife Service ensures the survival of our precious wildlife. The Tembo Naming Festival offers an opportunity to raise funds and support conservation efforts, securing a future for elephants. It's about expanding their habitats, securing connectivity in critical habitats, empowering communities, and fostering harmony.
Because of community contributing into conservation, we have seen minimal human-wildlife conflict.
Wakati tulipokuwa hatuna maji, tulikuwa tunaenda mbali sana kuleta maji. Tulipopata hii maji saa hii, sasa tumepata nafasi ya kupumzika, tumepata nafasi ya kuchona. Hii kazi ya ushanga inatusaidia kusomesha watoto.
These moves inspire the diversification of tourism products, supporting women and youth to benefit from tourism through the Ushanga project. Marine life is just as important as life on land. Turtle conservation in Watamu and Diani, along with the preservation of the Kisite Mpunguti Marine Park, ensures the well-being of this life. Through the ban on single-use plastics, the implementation of plastic-free parks, and bins in tour vans and cars, Kenya leads the way, ensuring responsible practice by tour operators. Our conservation areas remain clean. This work on this magnificent lands isn't just for Kenya, it's for all of humanity. Eco Warrior Awards, Eco Rating Schemes, and Travel Life Certification have sparked a green revolution. Kenya now boasts of over 40 gold eco-rated accommodation facilities. Ecotourism is thriving. With every breath, every man, and every action, Kenya continues to save the future through conservation and sustainable tourism. We are living in the future.
You have entered the future. A future ripe with potential, driven by global partnerships committed to African prosperity, inclusive growth, and a livable planet for all of us.